Welcome to lecture number 10. In this section, we will actually get a lot of insights about Git. It is across 10 different lectures, which will start literally from introduction of what is Git, and then we'll go in details so that you know exactly how to use Git. It is Git, it's not GitHub. GitHub is the hosting of Git. The knowledge you'll gain in this section will be purely about Git. So it makes sense that we know what is Git. So there is this guy called Linus Torvalds. He is a Finnish software engineer who has co-created or created the Linux kernel. If this term is something that you want to know, this is Linux is an operating system, basically something like Windows or Mac OS. Mac OS is actually a Unix operating system, or under the hood it is using Unix. So this guy, when did he do it exactly? I don't know. Maybe we can ask ChatGPT in a minute. But he goes there on the world many, many years ago. Maybe I can do that quickly. When did Linus invent Git or created Git? It is 2005. So pre 2005, or there was other version control systems indeed, but they were sharing information with each other pretty much in a not tidy way. And then he builds this software that allows him to build Linux kernel or build the entire Linux operating system in a pretty much distributed way across the continents, across the world, and yet collaborate with each other in a very, very lightweight and efficient way. You can imagine it's 2005, and then the internet speed is not so fast. So they need to move code from one machine to another machine and also keep a track of the history of that Git. So Git is started from there, and it's pretty much a big movement towards the open source community. And I believe that is one of the tweets that I listened. This is one of the old ones where he shows us a setup where he built Linux and Git, both of them together. He is a genius of this era. He is someone who created two extremely amazing pieces of software, Linux and Git, which is used across the industry, inevitably going to be there for forever, I would say. So you're just getting started to learn Git. See you in the next one.